So today I'm going to show you how to download Mt5 on your iOS or your Play Store from your Play Store or your iOS. Mt5, which stands for MetaTrader 5, and this is what it looks like. You click on open. I already have the application on my phone, so if you don't have it, it will say download or install depending on whichever one you're using. So for Android, it's going to say install. You click on install, but because I already have it, I'm going to go ahead and click on open to open it up. And this is what it looks like. It will bring you to this page. So the market is closed today. Today is Sunday and the market is closed. That's why you can see that the prices are in gray. When the market opens up, if the market is on, the prices change from red to blue. A buy is blue, a sell is red. So this is where, if you click on quotes, it gives you the pairs that you want to monitor here on the left hand side. And if you want to add a pair, you click on the plus sign above. On your right, there's a plus sign there. You click on it, and these are the things you can monitor. These are you can monitor forex, indices, metals, crypto, commodities, bonds, all of them, ETFs. So whichever market you want to stock or you want to analyze, you click on it. For instance, let's go to forex and find whichever one we want. Let's say let's pick Euro card. You see, it's no longer on the list because it has gone there. We'll click on Euro JPY. It's no longer there. So for us to go back and see what we clicked, we just click on the arrow on the left that says we should go back. Click on it. I'll come down here and we will see, you see, Euro card is there that we just selected. Euro JPY is there that we just selected. So that's for quotes. Under at the bottom, you see charts. After quotes is charts. If you click on charts, it takes you to the candlesticks. Yeah, if you click on the screen, in the middle of the screen, you see this ring will come out. So this ring shows the time frames, the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, up to monthly. Then there's the setting sign and also the tool sign. Now let's click on the one that has circle. Let's click on the one that has the circle, the triangle, and the square. That is where you have your tools, your objects, like your trend line, your Fibonacci level. They're all here, whichever one you want. So if you want to add your favorite object, whichever one you want to add, you click on the plus sign on your right. And if you want to delete it, there's a basket on the far right side. You click on that basket and it will delete. Okay, let's go ahead and delete everything now. You click on the basket sign and it will, you see there's a box on each tool. If you click on it, it marks it good. That means you want to delete that one. So we just keep clicking. Then we go back and click on the baskets. See, those ones we selected are gone. Same thing if you want to delete more. These are tools I have used already. That's why they are highlighted here. They are here. I've used them already. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of them just to show you what happens when you delete everything. You can see I've picked all of them. I've highlighted all of them. They're all marked good. And then I go and click on the basket again. That's it. It's all gone. All gone. So if I want to use a new tool that is not among my favorites, I click on the plus sign, and there you are. We have the lines, the channels, the Fibonacci, the Elliott wave, the shapes. So let's go ahead and click on the Fibonacci retracement. There you are. You can see it on the right hand side. On the right hand side, you can see it there. So if I want to use it, see, I just click on the screen and draw it. That's it. If you want to delete it, you press on the Fibonacci and hold. That basket will come out on your far right hand side, and then you click on it to delete. Very easy. Let's go click on the middle again to bring out that sign. If we want to change any setting, you can see that wheel sign that looks like a wheel inside the circle. We'll click on it, which is just below the shapes that we just clicked on. Right, we'll click on it, and it shows you whichever window you want to open. The first one says OHLC. OHLC means open, high, low, and close. So if you want the opening, the prices, everything to show on the opening price, the high of the candle, the low of the candle, or the closing price, you click on that box. When you go back to your data, you see it. So whichever one you want to show on your candlesticks, you click on it, and it will show there. If you go down to the bottom, you will see colors. Where is written colors? If you click on colors, you see that you can change the color of your candlesticks. You can change the foreground. You can customize it. You can, anything you want to do. Your take profit line, you can change the color. Your sell line, you can change the color. When you're done, you click on save at the top right. When you click on save, that's how your candlesticks will appear. It's very easy. So let's see. After the wheel sign, the setting sign, there's this crosshair. We call it crosshair, the one that looks like a big plus. See, when you click on it, it can help you just navigate prices and levels. Let's say you want to put a stop loss and you don't know the price, the exact price. If you use this crosshair, okay, for instance, there's a high here and a low here. For me to know the price, I put the crosshair on the bottom of this low. You can see that on my right. See, when I move it, the price moves. The price moves, right? So if I put it there, I'll know exactly what price that low is. And then on the high, same thing. It shows me what the price is. That way, it's easy for me to know what the price, the high is, the low is, or whichever price I really want to see, I want to highlight. It's very clear. So yeah, that's that. If we go, that's that for the setting and our tools. So if you go after chart, go back to the bottom. After chart, we go to trade, right? When you click on trade, this is where you will see your balance, your equity, and your free margin. Easy. And you can enter trades with that plus sign. You can see at the top right corner, there's a plus sign inside something that is like a page. So if you click on it, it takes you to execution, like how you want to execute your trade. If you click on market execute, it will show you if you want to buy at the market price. That's instant execution. Market is there. Market execution. There's buy limit. There's sell limit. The buy stop, sell stop. You can set your trades here. Whichever one you want, you click on it, and it changes to that. See, it changes. Then the next line below the action is your lot sizes. Presently is on 0.01. If I want to increase it, I click on the plus. It just increases by 0.01. If I wanted to increase more by 0.10, see, by 0.50, it changes. Then if I want to reduce the lot size, I go to the left side, I click on minus, 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 just like that. Very easy. Then after that line, the next line, bottom line, is the price. This is the price that you want to enter the market on. If you want to increase the price, you click on the plus sign on the right. If you want to reduce the price, you go to the left side and press the minus. Then below that line is the SL, which is in red, and TP, which is in green. This SL is your stop loss, and the TP is your take profit. So you impute those prices that you want, basically. So that's that. And then if you click on this arrow that goes up and down, there's an up arrow and a down arrow. If you click on it, you can see the way you want to order your trade. You want your order to show the way you want it to show, and then symbol, whichever way you want it to show, it will show, right? To history at the bottom. We'll go back to the bottom so we can continue. You click on history. This is where all the trades you have taken will show. All the trades you have ever taken, or money that you have deposited. Of course, remember, for you to be able to trade, you need to open an account with a broker. You need to open an account with a broker, with a reliable broker. A broker that has, tight spread. A very reliable one, which if you there's a link in my bio. You can click on that link to get access to the broker I use, that I trust. So for you to be able to access your trades, you open your account with a broker, through a broker, and then you transfer your funds to the market. It's like you want to buy something, right? You have the money. You need to go to the marketplace where you see the goods to buy. So this is like the marketplace. And then the person selling is like your broker, right? You need someone that will sell to you or buy from you at a very good price, which is where good brokers come in. So click on the link in my bio to have access to the broker I use. So on the left, we have positions. In the middle, we have orders. All the orders you have made. If they were cancelled, it will show. If they were filled, it will show. The total will show. It's all showing 0 now because nothing has happened. This is a fresh account. Then deals, they show you everything. How much profit you've made, the deposit you made, the swap. Swap is like if your trade is an overnight trade, you would get some brokers will charge you for remaining in the market, right? You need to pay them for taking care of your goods, Abby. Yeah, something like that. I think that's the easiest way to explain it so that you can understand. And then the commission is at the bottom. So that's that. At the top right, there's something like a calendar there that will show you the history of your trade. Do you want to see the history from today, last week, last month, last 3 months? And then you can customize it to show you from whichever date to whichever date. And that is that. Then at the end, at the bottom, it's just messages from Mt5. So you see, Mt5 is actually very easy to use. Very, very easy. Then when you want to see the time frames, you can see on the right side, there's a W1 sign there at the top. That W1 stands for weekly candle. So if you click on it, you can see that all the time frames that are available for our use is there. We have the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4. It's all there. if you click on the setting, sorry, let me go back. If you click on that W, there's a setting side on the right, the far right hand side. If you click on it, you see that all the time frames are there, and you can adjust it accordingly. If you want to be seeing the monthly chart, you click on it, whichever one you want to use, and then you save your changes. So that's that for how to use Mt5, how to download Mt5 on your phone, and how to use it. It's pretty straightforward. So if you have any question and you have any suggestion, feel free to leave your comment in my comment section, and I'll be sure to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any question at all, like I said before, I'm here to save you. Just send me a message. But for now, bye. Till the next one.